Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and a first look of the new CIVIVI Elementum Tanto. This one will be in the brown matrix and micarta handle scales. The model number is C9070-C. So inside the box we have a silica packet to absorb the moisture, nice CIVIVI pouch, CIVIVI comb on the other side, and inside we will find two stickers, one Elementum sticker and one as a community sticker, microfiber cloth, nice quality one, and also warranty information and brand information. So these with the really nice padded pouch is a nice bonus you will get with your knife. And here's the knife itself. So we have a really nice stealth version or full blacked out version of the Elementum. So everything on this one is nicely and blacked out. Okay, let me give you the quick information about the sizes and so on. So we have a overall length of 17.7 centimeters, that is 7 inches long. The blade is 7.5 centimeters or 3 inches. The handle is 10 centimeters or 4 inches. The blade width is 2.3 centimeters or 0.9 inches. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. And the handle thickness is 1.1 centimeter or 0.4 inches without the pocket clip. So materials used on this one, we have D2 with the black Stonewash Tanto profile blade. The original one is a drop point. I will show you the comparisons in a few minutes. So the liners are nicely skeletonized, blacked out also, and we have matrix micarta, which is probably I would say something like closer to a burlap micarta. The pivot assembly uses a ball bearing cavity washer, and we have a really nice and smooth action. There is a liner lock, of course. Let's try the spine whack test. So this is nice and sturdy. So like all previous CIVIVIs I have handled, top quality fit and finish, so no problems whatsoever. So like I mentioned, the finish, they call it a black Stonewash. You can see there it will attract fingerprints and so on, so keep that in mind, but definitely will give you a really nice character if some scratches will develop on it. So, but it is D2, so keep that in mind also. It could rust on you, just use your preferred anti-corrosive spray or a lubricant you have. Okay, so the centering, nice, perfectly centered. Lock engagement, nice and early. We have a beautiful designed deep carry pocket clip, which is nice and has nice flush screws, which is always good to see. Sadly non-reversible, I don't know why, but it is what it is. This was the also the same with the original Elementum, so I don't know why they did not revise the design when they made this new version. Okay, let us check the sharpness. So out of the box, really nice shaving sharp, and it will get a really nice Tanto profile, so American style Tanto. Let me give you the pocket profile really quickly. So this is how much it will stick out. We have medium to light tension, so it will not shred your pockets. So that is always good to have. The weight comes in 81.2 grams or 2.8 ounces. So for some reason it is a little bit heavier than the original Elementum with natural cannabis micarta, which was 77.3 or 2.7 ounces. Like all CIVIVI knives, this is also made in China, of course. And if you look for other variants, you can choose from a wide variety of handle, scale, materials. So you have copper, brass, and G10 and micarta, of course. Currently, if you want to have a blacked out Tanto, you can choose only from copper, brass, and matrix micarta. They probably will add some more in the future, of course. Maybe also a Stonewash version of the blade, but currently the Tanto has only this black Stonewash. So here is the previous version with micarta they introduced, which is the drop point, of course, the satin finish. So definitely a step up, of course, regarding the protection of the blade itself. I forgot to mention that also we have a nice lanyard hole. If you are a lanyard guy, then you are covered. Okay, let me show you a few size comparisons with other brands. So let me take out my Buck Sprint Pro, which is a little bit larger, of course. Then I have a Kubi Aries, CRKT Pilar 1, Little Main Street from Concept Knives, the big lighter too from Kaiser, from QSP I have here the Penguin, which is probably one of the best options if you are looking for something with a sheep's foot blade, and micarta, of course, D2 blade. And I have here Kaiser Pinch, which is a non-locking knife from Kesivo or Free Tiger or Tuna Fire. We have the model FT or GT 956 from Ace, model Grand, Rustic Gent, also from CIVIVI. And let us continue with Red Model 2, Kershaw Leak, Delica Spyderco, Small Reptilian from Benchmade, Bug Vintage Select Small, $9.40 from Benchmade. Here is the Peanut from Rough Rider. Kershaw Shuffle 2, and the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so price-wise, we're looking at MSRP of $80 US. Currently, when I made this video on Blade HQ, the price was $68. So it depends on your preferred knife reseller. Go check out the pricing, and for around $70 is definitely a really good buy with a really nice Micarta handle scale and this beautiful Tanto profile blade. So if you like the Elementum, maybe if you are collecting Elementum, then this will be probably on your radar. Okay, with that being said, I would like to thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider to be one. I try to release at least 3 videos per week. So if you are subscribed, you will not miss any future content. I would like to wish you a wonderful day. Stay safe and see you soon.